Over the last few decades, humanity has developed technologies that we only use to see in science fiction movies. Among the most impressive advances are hotels that fly permanently through the skies, robots that save lives in impossible situations, and vehicles that completely defy the laws of physics. But what makes these technologies so extraordinary? Why are they generating so much impact and concern among global experts? In this video, I'm going to show you the most shocking inventions of the future that have gone beyond the limits of what we thought was possible. These are technologies so advanced they seem straight out of futuristic film, but they are completely real and are about to change our world. I'll warn you that when you get to number 1, you'll understand why engineers around the world are amazed by this technological revolution. 1. The floating city, Ocean X Busan. Imagine a complete city that floats on the ocean and adapts to climate change at will while it grows. Sound impossible, right? Well, South Korea has just turned this vision into reality with Ocean X Busan, the world's first sustainable floating city. This revolutionary aquatic metropolis features interconnected platforms that support residential, commercial, and recreational spaces, powered entirely by renewable energy sources. It is the home of the future, designed to coexist with nature. The most terrifying thing is that it can expand and relocate in real time, making any traditional urban concept obsolete. Urban planning experts themselves have admitted something devastating. This city can completely redefine global urban development in the face of rising sea levels. UN habitat developers have confessed that traditional cities lose to Ocean X Busan in every aspect because their fixed foundations are completely vulnerable compared to this oceanic adaptability. This floating city can house entire populations and position itself strategically to avoid natural disasters. An investment of millions can offer solutions that coastal cities worth billions cannot match. It's proof that the future of humanity could lie in the sea. 2. The first drone with arms, the flying rescuer. Drones have evolved a lot. But what would happen if they could not only fly, but also manipulate objects like a human? A team of Japanese specialists has created something that seemed impossible. The world's first full-size drone equipped with 2 robotic arms. This technological giant weighs 44 pounds, 20 kilograms, and can carry up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms of additional weight, reaching speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. Its 30-minute battery life might not seem like much, but it's enough to save lives. Imagine this. A person is drowning in the sea. The weather conditions prevent rescuers from getting close. But this drone can fly up to 3.1 miles, 5 kilometers, high, withstand adverse weather conditions, and deliver a life buoy directly to the victim in a matter of minutes. Its applications go far beyond maritime rescue. It can work at altitudes that are dangerous for humans, handle toxic or explosive loads, and perform construction tasks in places that are completely inaccessible. Its interchangeable capabilities make it a versatile tool for situations that previously required risking human lives. Manufacturers are convinced that this advance will revolutionize safety in multiple industries, marking the birth of first truly useful robots for emergencies. 3. The smart exoskeleton. Superpower for running. In laboratories in Japan, the perfect human enhancer has just been born. This running exoskeleton is completely revolutionary and redefines what it means to have superpowers, being the only device capable of eliminating human fatigue. This body enhancer completely minimizes stress on joints and the waist thanks to its advanced impact absorption. Its strengthening capacity is so advanced that it allows you to run on any terrain without feeling tired or experiencing muscle pain. It's like having an invisible personal trainer that propels you with every stride. The incredible thing is that this exoskeleton executes physical improvements completely autonomously. It detects your body movements, plans muscle optimizations, and enhances your abilities without you having to do anything. The same company also developed versions that allow you to lift 22.5 pounds, 10 kilograms, up to 6.6 feet, 2 meters, high effortlessly. Its arsenal includes support systems for delivery workers, mail carriers, and warehouse staff that activate automatically. The real revolution is facing physically demanding jobs that no longer destroy the human body, that enhance natural abilities, and that eliminate traditional physical limitations. The exoskeleton represents the next step in human evolution assisted by technology. where our natural physical limitations will no longer determine what we can achieve. 4. The Shanghai Walking Complex, buildings with legs. In the field of structural engineering, one of the most shocking advances has been the development of technology to move entire buildings, capable of moving historical structures weighing 8,270 tons, as if they were toys. This system was created using advanced robotic hydraulic jacks that function as the legs of a giant robot. It allows moving entire buildings with precision that surpasses any traditional demolition method. This project can carry out the relocation of historical complexes that require extremely delicate movements. With an ability to work without rest and perfect coordination algorithms, it eliminates the need to demolish historical heritage. The most amazing thing is that this system is not only limited to moving small structures, but can relocate entire buildings autonomously with engineering supervision. This opens up enormous possibilities for reconfiguring entire cities without having to destroy valuable buildings from the past. The Shikumen complex has already been moved successfully in Shanghai with extraordinary results, taking relocation engineering to levels never before reached in human history. It is proof that the past and the future can coexist in a completely new way. 5. Inflatable construction domes. Silence on the job site. This revolutionary project has been developed by Chinese companies and is designed to solve one of the oldest problems in construction: noise and pollution on job sites. The inflatable domes manage to create a completely isolated environment around any construction site. These giant air structures completely eliminate noise to the outside and prevent dust or polluting particles from escaping, creating a bubble of efficiency. Unlike traditional methods that try to minimize these problems, the domes simply eliminate them, creating a controlled and safe ecosystem. The potential applications are immense for the urban future. If this technology is successfully implemented on a global scale, it could end construction nuisances in cities, allow work in extreme weather conditions, and create safer and more efficient work environments for workers. The creation of these domes shows that China is revolutionizing even the most basic aspect of construction, transforming job sites into futuristic capsules that benefit everyone. 6. The Alpha Jetman flying suit, the human rocket. Swiss engineers have developed something fascinating: a flying suit that allows humans to fly at 500 kilometers per hour, 310 miles per hour, above real airplanes, but with a technology that exceeds all expectations. This miraculous jetpack has forever changed the rules of personal flight on the planet. This device can generate enough power for extreme flights for many kilometers without the need for runways or airports. The jetpack plays a specific role in each maneuver, which makes it very safe. It analyzes wind conditions, adjusts the power of the 4 jet engines, and stabilizes the flight with pinpoint accuracy. The truly surprising thing is its integrated flight intelligence. It maintains optimal altitudes automatically, compensates for turbulence and wind changes, and simultaneously monitors the pilot's safety. When it detects dangerous conditions, the entire system reacts in a coordinated manner to keep the flight stable. It can operate for prolonged flights without stopping, function in any weather condition, and perform impossible acrobatics without intervention from external systems. Imagine the implications. Rescuers could reach completely inaccessible places, and explorers would have access to impossible territories. It's like having a pair of mechanical wings that literally turn humans into birds of steel. 7. The Sky Cruise Flying Hotel, the cruise ship of the clouds. Have you ever imagined a hotel that flies permanently through the skies without ever touching down? It sounds like pure science fiction, but the Sky Cruise project is absolutely real and terrifying in its ambition. The Sky Cruise is the largest aerial giant ever conceptualized. This beast uses compact nuclear reactors and 20 strategically distributed propulsion engines to keep its 5,000 guests suspended in the air 24/7. Its nuclear power system allows for continuous flights for months without the need for refueling. The most revolutionary feature is its aerial docking system. Mobile platforms extend to the hotel to connect with commercial airplanes in mid-flight, allowing passengers to get on and off while the Sky Cruise continues its eternal journey. This process completely eliminates the need for traditional airports and waiting in terminals. Its interior houses swimming pools with panoramic views, floating shopping centers, revolving restaurants, IMAX cinemas, and even a miniature golf course. Everything works through autonomous artificial intelligence that controls everything from navigation to guest service, creating the most futuristic hotel experience ever conceived. 8. The autonomous construction system, the robotic builder. South Korea has developed the most revolutionary construction system in history, a completely autonomous ecosystem capable of building massive projects without direct human intervention. This revolutionary system consists of 3 integrated components that work in perfect synchronization. First, specialized drones create 3-dimensional maps of the terrain with millimeter precision, analyzing every feature of the site. Second, a complete fleet of autonomous vehicles moves using data from the drones to excavate, crush, and transport materials without human drivers. The most impressive thing is the third component, an off-site control center where super intelligent AI analyzes the work done and optimizes operations in real time. This AI coordinates massive machines simultaneously, executes perfect instructions, and eliminates human errors completely. Experts themselves have confirmed that this system can build complete projects faster and with greater precision than any human team. The industrial implications are enormous. Reduced construction times, the elimination of workplace accidents, and a precision that no traditional company has ever achieved. The construction of the future no longer requires human hands, but robotic brains that perfect every step of the process. We have seen the 8 most advanced and futuristic inventions that are about to change our world forever. From cities that float on the ocean to exoskeletons that give us superpowers. Each of these innovations represents an evolutionary leap in contemporary technology. Now tell me, what do you think about these technologies? Which one impacted you the most? Leave me your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos about the incredible world of technological innovations. We'll see you next time.